since means because they need they do more work and therefore require. What does therefore mean? Therefore is similar to thus. Okay, it's a formal form of so. So it means so. Okay. So they require more energy. What does require mean? Require means they need more energy. Okay. Fat cells also have lots of mitochondria because they store energy for the body. Fat cells. What is fat? Fat is like oil inside your body, and this substance lets you store energy inside your body. Right? Fat cells also have lots of mitochondria because they store energy for the body. What does store mean? Store means to put something at a place so that it can be used later on when you need it. Okay? In other cells, mitochondria do very little or might even be dead. Okay? That means they do little work. For example, hair has few mitochondria since it produces no energy for the body. Hair doesn't produce energy, right? Some layers of skin have few mitochondria too. What is a layer? Layer is an amount of substance that covers a surface. That is a layer, all right? Or an amount of substance which is between two things. Okay? Some layers of skin have few mitochondria too. So this is everything. Let's look at the questions. Hold on. What aspect of a mitochondria does the professor mainly discuss? What does aspect mean? Aspect means a feature of something, right? What is he mainly discussing? The professor is talking about what they do, which is they make energy. So it should be how they benefit the human body. What does benefit mean? Benefit means help, all right? Let's look at other options. Which cells have the greatest number of them? This was in the passage, okay? Like fat cells have a lot of them, but this is not the main idea. This is a part of the passage. What their relationship with ATP molecules is. The professor mentioned ATP molecules, but the relationship between mitochondria and ATP is not the main topic of the passage. D. How their two membranes differ. What does differ mean? How they are different. Okay, differ is a verb of different. Okay. The professor talks about the membranes, but and how they are different, but that's a part of the lecture, not the main topic. I mean the main thing he wants to say. 6. According to the professor, which parts of the body have a large amount of mitochondria? Which one? Hair, she said they don't have because they don't have many because it doesn't produce energy. Fat cell can be the answer. Skin. What did she say about the skin? Skin have few mitochondria too. It doesn't produce energy. The heart, she said nothing about the heart. So the answer will be B. Next. Hold on. What aspect of mitochondria does the professor mainly discuss? Which, no, hold on. We did this, right? 7. What does the professor imply about skin? What does imply mean? Imply means they don't say it directly, but it's a hidden meaning or something, all right? So it has an outer membrane. This is not what she said. She didn't say anything about the outer membrane of the skin. It contains ATP molecules. This is not it. This is all about what? Mitochondria, right? It does not create energy. This is what the professor implied. Because what did she say? Some layers of skin have few mitochondria too. So it directly implies this. It's the body's protective covering. What was the body's protective covering? Yes, skin is the body's protective covering, but she didn't say that, alright? This is just what we know. Listen again to the part of the lecture, then answer the question. What does the professor imply when she says this? We need to listen again before we answer this question.
5. Then answer the question.
What happens is that oxygen combines with the nutrients in the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and then energy for the body is created in the form of an energy-rich molecule called the ATP molecule. ATP is an abbreviation for a longer scientific name. Look it up if you're interested in knowing it.
What does the professor imply when she says this?
Look it up if you're interested in knowing it.
What does she imply? Why did she say that? That means she's not going to tell students what ATP stands for. You have to look it up by yourself. Okay? This is what she wants to say. Let's look at other options. ATP molecules are not important to the body. That's not what she wants to say when she said that, right? She wants the students to research ATP molecules. This you might think it could be the answer, but it's not. All right? Because what did she say before? ATP is an abbreviation for a longer scientific name. So what does that mean? Look it up if you're interested in knowing it. That means look it up for the abbreviation, not researching the ATP. You understand? Okay. She will ask about ATP molecules on the final exam. This is going too far. You can't you can't think that she will do this only with what she said. Okay? This is going too far. So this is not the answer. Okay? D is the answer. Okay, how much time have passed? 37 minutes. Alright, this is adequate. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.